So in the previous video I'll show you the two things, what we solder and how we solder. So this is the Everflux, this is the Griffith. So check, you see the difference, you can see it visibly, yeah, the difference between the two. Now to make sure you see the difference, we're going to cut the pipes, and end of this video we're going to show you what to apply to these ones to look like new and to look really good for a long time, whatever flux you're going to use. Yeah, so let's cut the pipes. Okay, so this one is soldered with the flux. Yeah, so this is whatever you can see is a bit hot. Yeah, look inside the pipes. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this part. So I see this one. Let's see this one. So now I don't need to judge, you can see by yourself the difference between this and this one. You see the difference of the color, everything is different than this one. Yeah, so we'll show you these ones. Let me show you what we use in order the copper to look like new for the long time, but not the last bit. Imagine when you're soldering and you have a difficult position, it's really hot, do not bend the elbows like that. Do not do that, because you might have a leak. The pipe, you might get damage, getting space. You see, similar to this one, and then you might have a leak. We had these things in the past when we tried to rush into a job and we have a leak and we have more work. So now let me show you the trick. So we use this one, Brasso, yeah? So if you use this one after doing your soldering, yeah, to wipe, because this is for brass, yeah? If you use this one, have a look. You see the difference between the pipes? Check. So what we do, we use this thing for our pipes to look like new for a long time. Have a look. Look at these ones and look at the difference of these ones. So this is what we use. This is our trick. I hope you enjoyed the video.